will be learning how to remain safe while using internet. Moving ahead with the slide, internet safety. Where to use this saying safe online rules? During email. Whenever we receive an email from a person we are not aware about, don't respond to such emails from the person or from an organization coming to you whom you are not aware about. Businesses like bank, credit cards, eBay and others don't use email to do account information and any other personal transaction. That means whenever we are talking about large organizations, these organizations never demand our personal information via mail. We have to go personally and then we will be able to give all our details to the bank. None of the organization sends a mail and they tell us to revert to the mail by filling in all the informations. Never use link, download material and start files from any email you don't know or were not expecting, because when you click on such links, what happens is that our valid email ID goes to the organization. They then distribute our valid email ID to certain other persons, and like this we get a huge amount of spam emails every now and then. So yes, when you are not aware about the emails who has sent it, it's better not to click on that particular email. Next, safety rules. Why pop-up? Whenever we are playing games or whenever we are surfing internet, many a times we get pop-ups. So whenever we get certain pop-ups, the first rule is that don't click on pop-up. When you click on pop-up, they definitely demand your personal informations. Like if the MP3 is free, why do they require a credit card number or for you to subscribe 5 magazine, download or other services to get? If it is free, I'll just give a location, they are going to drop the parcel or the gift to that location, I'll just take over the gift from the location which I've mentioned. Remember, whenever we are giving the location has not to be given of your home. You have to select a location where the other person will come and they will give you and they will deliver your gift item. First of all, this is a scam. We should try to avoid this kind of scams. So whenever pop-up is coming, we shouldn't be clicking on the pop-up. Now a simple pop-up is given over here. Hit 3 targets, get a free Moto Razor. Now this is just a game. We're required to click on the target, and by clicking on the target we will get a Moto Razor. So like this kind of pop-ups are generally created by the scammers or by the crackers to get a valid information. Once a valid information is given to them, they can use a valid information. Next rule, where to use staying safe online rules. Instant messaging. We nowadays are having an instant messaging in the form of WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, etc. Know who you are talking to. First of all, I should know the person whom I am talking with. Remember, anything you write can be copied. Suppose I have just said some bad words or some bad about a particular person. I have just used certain words that may create harm to the other person, and I have deleted it. But if I have deleted it, that doesn't mean the data is not there. Somebody has taken the screenshot of that, the bad or the words that I have used against a person, the bad words that I have used against a particular person, or any words that can harm to the identity of the other person. I have used that kinds of words, but I have deleted it. After deleting, I'm very much assured that now the data is not there. But in internet, whenever we are typing something, the data remains there itself. There is no way to take back what you say, because as I said, I'm just giving some name to a particular person, and I'm calling the person by a fake name in a group and I just deleted the name. There are hundreds and thousands of persons in the group. They all have taken the screenshot, so it may harm the identity of the other person. Never put your people you meet on the internet on your instant messaging group. So it is very, very careful rule, or it is very, very safe rule, that whenever we are talking to somebody online, we shouldn't be adding them on the instant messaging service. That means we shouldn't be giving our IDs such as Instagram. We shouldn't be giving our numbers, because when we give our numbers, he will be able to communicate with us using WhatsApp. So these are some of the rules of staying safe. There are some more rules which are coming in the next slide.